Hey y'all, welcome back to another recipe. For today's video, I will be making thebomb.com vegan mac and cheese. So I wanted to show you guys the way that I make it so good. You can make it two ways, which I will explain in the video. So stay tuned. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. Thumbs up the video if you like vegan food. Comment down below what you think. Without further ado, let's make it. Alright, these are the ingredients you will need to make your vegan mac and cheese. The butter right here, I will not use it. I don't need it. So I'm using whole grain pasta, by the way. To get started, I am using one potato. You can use half, but I did use one russet potato. I am going to peel the potato just like that. Then I'll cut it into small little pieces. I'm cutting it small because I want it to cook really fast. So I'm cutting it small. The smaller it is, the faster it'll cook. Just like that. I also cut one carrot with half of yellow onion. Just cut it really small, like I said. All right, once you're done, we're going to transfer it into a saucepan. I am going to wash them and then I'll add some more water to let it boil. I did add some salt to it as well. My broccoli, I saved the broccoli for later because I didn't want to overcook the broccoli because it's really soft. Okay, so this is it on the stove right now boiling, and then I added my broccoli about 10 minutes later because I didn't want to overcook my broccoli. Moving on, I am going to season my pasta water. I added onion powder, garlic powder, pepper with some salt on there, as well as some oil. This is the salt. I added a little bit of oil later on. Right, I am using whole grain pasta. I needed some fiber in my life, so I'm using whole grain. You can use regular one if you want, as long as it doesn't have any egg in there. So once it is done, it's nice and al dente, just like that. Just drain the water. You can use the water for later if you want, or you can use that water for the veggies as well. So I am going to remove my broccoli from the veggie and then save the water. And before we blend the veggies, I am blending some cashew nuts before I start blending the veggies. I am using the hot water from the veggies to add in my cashew nuts. You can also add almond milk. I didn't have any. I didn't want to use almond milk, so I use the hot water. Once it is done, that's what it looks like, nice and creamy. Now I am going to add the potatoes, the onions, the carrots in there. The carrots will give it a nice color. It'll give you that yellowish color for the cheese, you know. It's not gonna be all white. So this is the carrots and the vegetable and the cashew nuts blending together. This is what it looks like, nice and creamy, nice and tasty. It was really delicious. All this need is some salt. Okay, so this is it right here. This is my pasta. I am going to add some seasoning before I start. I added more pepper. I added more this right here is mustard, dry mustard. I added dry mustard as well with the onion powder and more garlic powder. Of course I added salt because I feel like it needed some more salt, so I added some salt. And this is basically balancing the seasoning. You can add a little bit, taste it, and add a little bit more. Now this is the time to add the cheese, okay? This is our creamy vegan cheese, which was super delicious. I was not expecting it to be so good like that. It was really good. So just add that in there, and then we're going to mix it with a spoon. All right, it's nice and creamy. Yes, just like how you will get, you know, your regular mac and cheese. Once I done added the cheese and mix it together. I taste it to see if I need anything else. So I feel like I needed more pepper, you know, just spice it up a little bit more. So I added, especially I'm using whole grain pasta. Girl, listen, you need to season that thing up, okay? Just add more pepper and more salt, more of the garlic powder, onion, whatever you feel like you needed to add. I don't have any other vegan seasoning, that's why I didn't use any. If you guys know any, let me know. I'll be making more vegan recipes for you guys, so stay tuned for that as well, and ketos too, so stay tuned. This is it basically. Once it is done, of course I have to plate it for you guys, and in my honest opinion, this was pretty delicious than I expected. It was really, really amazing. By the way, you can only use nuts to make the cheese, or you can use just the veggies, the potatoes and stuff, just that by itself to make. You don't have to mix it. I mix it because I wanted more flavor, if you know what I'm saying. So this is my broccoli on top of it. Once it is done, you have yourself delicious homemade vegan mac and cheese. Now try that and let me know how you like it. You might not like it if you're not a vegan. In my opinion, it was delicious. It was really good. I eat anything. I'm not picky. I eat basically anything. So this was, in my opinion, pretty delicious. And I love nuts. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Do not forget to thumbs up the video and let me know how you like this recipe, or if you want more vegan recipe down below in the comment section, because there will be some more vegan food because a lot of you guys asked me for it. So this is me trying it. Oh, it was really good. It was delicious. I loved it. You just need to mess with the seasoning and stuff. This is it. Hope you enjoyed. Thumbs up. I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Bye.